Be who God meant you to be, and you will set the world on fire. My dear Bosconians, after spending years of hard toil and labor in your scholastic endeavors, you can truly say that I became what God wants me to be. A true, spirited Bosconian in word, in thought, and in deed.
This will be the last graduation ball. And so we want everyone to enjoy. Cherish the time and the people you are with now. Dahil mamaya, tapos na to. Bukas, wala na.
Siyempre, parang ano po, kaya ko dapat sulitin ang lahat. Kasi meron sinasabi, bawat moment na hindi inulit dapat sinusulit ko.
Super saya po, pero at the same time nakakalungkot kasi mag-iwanan, pero walang kalimutan.
Malungkot, pero magkikita-kita din naman.
Masaya po.
Nakakayak po.
Kahit na yung mga ibang kasama namin, 2 years pa lang yung nakalipas.
Kung ano naman yung nangyari, kahit bad or good, alam ko na na-enjoy namin.
Hindi mo alam, baka yung after graduation, baka yun ay last time na makikita mo siya.
Nakakalungkot. Parang ayaw mo nang graduate.
Congratulations, Blue Batchmates! Congratulations, Batchmates! Let's have fun!
Wherever you go, whatever you will be, remember that you are a star. You are meant to shine, and you are meant to share that light to the world. That in life, there's no replay. There's no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes.
Your Salesian educators would be extremely happy to see you fulfilling your dreams and setting the world on fire with your good examples as good Christians and honest citizens. Always remember that we, your Salesian educators, love you 3,000 times.
Our memory may fail us, but our hearts you will always remember. Hindi namin kayo malilimutan. Cheers to the Senior High Batch 2019 and enjoy the rest of the night.